Yeah, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Very quick mail call today. I'll pop you over to the bench here and I'll show you a few things that have arrived in the mail. It won't take very long because there's not many things here. Um, uh, while I think of it, what's my job title for today? Today, I am the Chief Fuse Blower. I'm the Chief Fuse Blower. That's the silly job title for today. So, yeah, let's pop over to the bench and see what's arrived in the mail. Here on the bench. So, just a couple of things today. First things first, CRV. This looks like a ratchet hex screw. Let's see what we're dealing with. Yeah. All right. Now, is it metric? Not sure. Well, where's my old pocket knife? So I'll just pop this open. Interesting. So the ratchet goes both ways. Okay, it's got the square type. There's two types. There's the square type and the oh, that's a nice touch. You can press that; it'll push the bit out. That's great. Ah, so this is an extension. I'm not sure if that will support a hex nut or not. No, not really. No. So these ones they use the square type. There's also a hexagonal type, which you see. This is the hex type. So okay, so this only supports one. Fair enough. Pop that on there. Wonder if it'll clip in. There is a ball bearing in there. I'm not sure if that goes on one side particularly. I don't know. There it is. There, it clipped in. Yeah, that's good. And now the thing is, are they metric or imperial? Let's have a look here. What have we got? Oh no, it'll say up here. Oh, it's in mils. Good. So it's metric. Metric suits me. All right. So there we go with the extra extension bit. Ripper. Got to be pretty happy about that. Yeah. All right. This clips in. I press the button and up it comes. Too easy. All right. Now I think that this will happily hang somewhere. Yeah, that's good. It's all well balanced. Nice one. All right. Well, I'll find a place to keep that on my pegboard, probably, or maybe on the maybe over here. We'll see. All right. So what's next? More tools by the looks of it. What do we got in here? Okay, this is just great big honking Allen keys. Look at that. It's a monster. Yeah, cool. Oh, there we go. Full set of Allen keys. Delicacy Electric. Cool. Not going to need that bag. Now, I got an assortment of sandpaper. That's 240 grit by the looks of it. 240 grit. Is it labelled here somewhere? I'm not seeing it. Yeah, there it is, 240 grit. And this one, 80 grit. And this one, 150 grit. Okay, that's 80. That's 240. And this didn't seem to get written on 150 grit. Just 1 second, I'll grab a container. Alright, I'm back, and this is my sandpaper container. As you can see, I've got some sandpaper in here. This is very, very fine for buffing. So this can go in there. And if I need sandpaper, I know where to go looking. Alright. What's this? USB fast charger. Alright. Some sort of USB charging thing. What we got? Okay, cool. So yeah. I'm gonna put this up the back of my lab here. It's gonna go straight up there. Look at that in the back. So it can deliver 3.1 amps. Okay. Might as well put it in straight away. I don't know what the colors mean. Perhaps nothing. Alright. I'll put that away later on. Just a few more little bits and pieces here. Now these are just bayonet fittings that will adapt a screw fitting. So I don't know what they do about light fittings in the rest of the world, but these are the two that you'll see around Australia. I assume they're the same everywhere. Anyway, this has got the screw fitting on this side and the bayonet fitting on this side. So if you've got screw ones and you need to put them in a bayonet one, you can. So that's what these are. Where will I keep those? Let me think about that. All right, well, that was easy enough. I put one in the adapters drawer and I put the other four in another drawer, miscellaneous kind of cables drawer over on the other side of my lab there. Oh, okay. It's a little metal spudger. Stainless steel scraper. There you go. Ripper. Well, I'll just file him with the spudgers over here. Very good. And this is our last package. I did say it'd be a quick mail call today. And it is. So what have we got here? Some sort of mounting system. A self-adhesive desktop socket fixer, hanging power strip cable organizer, wall holder fixer. Okay. So I'm not sure how these work. I think I remember seeing them. Let's jump over to the computer together and see what we can see about these. Okay, so you can see here, this is how they're supposed to work. You stick this part on the wall, and then you slot this part in. So it's just sticky tape and two bits of plastic, and they kind of mate, and that's that. So that's what these are. So now we know what these are. They've got the double-sided tape and the two bits. Might as well pop one of them out of the box and have a look at it, huh? So this is just double-sided tape, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And these pieces just slot together, I guess. I wonder if it's easy to get them in there. Probably. Oh, you can also screw if you want to. Okay. Oh, that's good. Interesting. So I'm not sure which bit you put on the wall and which bit you put on the... Is this the same? I think that can go on either way. Yeah. All right, cool. Well, just give me a second. I'll file these. All right, so I get the got that all filed away. Now I'm just going to time lapse the scrapbooking. Let's do that. I've run out of glue paste. I mean, so I usually paste these onto a sheet of paper, but I can't do that just at the moment because I don't have any paste. But I have ordered some paste, so I'll just leave these sitting up the back here, and I'll sort them out when my paste arrives. I will just pop that the cardboard away. This, I'm going to put that in my scrapbook, and then I'll throw you over the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So, just a quick mail call for you today. This was my favourite thing today. The ratchet hex drivers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bits, a ratchet and extender. Very good. And it all hangs together on this nice little thing. Isn't that wonderful? So I'll follow that. I suppose the least interesting thing today was the those light bulb bayonet to screw adapters. But they're the sort of thing that if you need, you need. So now I've got them, and that's all well and good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.